What do you think when you hear the words American pride? Does it evoke deep-rooted emotions for our beloved USA? Like while we celebrate July 4th, Memorial Day, and Veterans Day, does it remind you of a loved one or a friend serving in the military or is now a veteran, including those of our greatest generation? Does it characterize what you do beyond self for country and others, like wearing the uniform, being deployed in harm's way, saving a child from a burning building, apprehending a mass murder of fellow Americans, watching a hero receiving the Medal of Honor, honoring a valiant one who made the ultimate sacrifice for us all? The first responders come to the aid of those trapped in the World Trade Towers on September 11, 2001. Well, all of those reasons and more are why, after the terrorist attacks on 9/11, I started to write poems honoring America and those who have been there for her throughout our glorious existence, starting with the Founding Fathers and carried forward by leaders, heroes, and other proud Americans, answering her call to do what was necessary to preserve the land of the free and home of the brave, with so many valiant ones paying the ultimate sacrifice, and even more returning home as wounded warriors. And it's all about being one nation, of we the people, graced by Old Glory flying above, under God. I hope you enjoy reading the poems, and they stir your American pride too, as much as they did me when writing them. May Old Glory always wave high above, and God bless America. Your fellow patriot, David Bancroft.